Ready to put your face in the spotlight and take your Snapchat game to the next level? First, make sure you've got the latest version of Snapchat installed on your phone. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store to update it if needed. Now, open Snapchat and navigate to a chat with a friend. This is where the magic happens. Look for the sticker icon in the chat bar. It's usually to the right of the text input field, and give it a tap. In the sticker menu, you'll spot the Cameo icon. It looks like a little face inside a rectangle. Tap on that to access the Cameo world. Now you'll see a range of Cameo templates. These are short, looping videos waiting for your face. Browse through them and pick one that perfectly matches your mood or the conversation. If it's your first time using Cameo, Snapchat will ask you to take a selfie or choose one from your camera roll. Make sure your face is well lit and centered in the frame for the best results. Snapchat will then seamlessly insert your face into the chosen Cameo template, creating a hilarious, personalized video starring you. If you're happy with your Cameo masterpiece, simply tap the send button to share it with your friend. They'll see you in the starring role, bringing a whole new level of fun to your snaps. And that's how you use Cameos in Snapchat.